Hello students, good morning everybody. I Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and the SYBSE syllabus is the CBCS syllabus to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. Today, I discuss this video lecture for SYBSE students, paper course code, paper first course code 231, taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology. We learn plant ecology, credit second. This video lecture is only for educational purpose for SYBSE students. Today, we learn interdisciplinary approach of ecology, earth ecology and scene ecology. What is the interdisciplinary approach of ecology? Ecology is the bridge between the science and society. Ecology is the bridge between science and society. It deals with every issue that affects the organisms. Ecology is the bridge between science and society. It deals with every issue that affects the organism. That is, traditionally, science courses have been discipline centered that is, traditionally science courses have been discipline centered that have paid little attention of ecology. Ecology is the study of interaction between organisms and their environment. This is the definition of ecology. To understand the complex between biotic and comfort, we need knowledge from different subjects to study ecology and environments. Ecology that is, or thus ecology is interdisciplinary approach and also multidisciplinary approach for the society. Its components includes, that is discipline branches includes biology, geography, geology, chemistry, physics, engineering, sociology, health, anthropology, economics, statistics, computers and philosophy. These are branches which includes interdisciplinary approach of ecology. All biotic processes imply the transfer and storage of energy. All biotic processes implies the transfer and storage of energy. The producers get advantage of light energy. Bacteria and fungi obtain chemical energy by the disintegration of molecular structure of other organisms, that is same as pathogen attacks on the biotic components or any plant material. They absorb food. This food are converted into chemical energy. Chemistry is the important disciplinary branch because it is or it gives more advantage to the biome or biotics. Ecology has or gets advantage of physics. In chemistry is also important because all metabolic and physiological processes, biosystemics depend on the chemical reactions. Hence, chemical approach or interdisciplinary approach of chemistry is more important. Geography is very important discipline because the distributions of living being on the earth. Then ecology relates to the geology because biome depends on the geological structure of the environment. This is the disciplines of ecology. Climatology and meteorology disciplines helps to ecological to understand global biodiversity, that is climate change, meteorology, that is temperature, humidity, rain. Thus, ecology is interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary science because we need to aware of the various disciplines. Ecology is interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary science because we need to aware of the various disciplines branches. To understand the biotic components, we need the information from biochemistry, biology, including genetics, botany, animal physiology, animal behavior, and microbiology. To understand abiotic components, information can be obtained from geochemistry, weather patterns, nutrient cycles, that is nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, SO2 cycle. These processes and impact on or impact in the forms of human being, that is physical changes or environment, and also the pollution of water, soil and air. These are impacts of pollutions. Then ecology as disciplinary holistic science. Why ecology as interdisciplinary holistic science? Because in ecology there are various disciplines to study the environment and interrelation or interaction between organisms and environments. That is biodiversity, botany, geology, molecular biology, zoology, biochemistry, geography, microbiology, forestry, agriculture, evolution, etc. Then next point, this is the interdisciplinary approach of ecology. That is all subjects of science, sociology, economics, these branches also included in the disciplines of or interdisciplines of ecology. Then art ecology and scene ecology. What is art ecology? Art ecology is the branch of ecology that deals with the interrelationship among individuals of same species and interactions with their environment. The study of art ecology means study of individual of the species, that is Pteridium brachyfern. Only study of Pteridium brachyfern, which is found in Mahabaleshwar in the Western Ghat region of Maharashtra. Only study of habitat, then anatomy of the plant, anatomy of the leaf, anatomy of the stem, anatomy of the rhizome, then spore morphology, spores, megaspores, microspores, life cycle pattern, lifespan. These studies are only one species of fern, that is brachyfern. This is called art ecology. Thus, it is the study of interaction of an individual's organisms of a single species with the living and non-living factors for its environments. What is living and non-living factors? Biotic and abiotic factors. It is also called a species ecology because there is only one species, brachyfern. What is the aim of art ecology? The aim of art ecology means, or the name of art ecology, to study, to investigate the factors such as ecology of populations or individuals of particular species, including habitat, habit, abundance, distribution, nutrient cycles, ability, life cycle, etc. Art ecology is also experimental study, and it deals with the easily measured variables such as light, humidity, and available nutrients to the plant. It is studied in relation to the environmental conditions. What is the environmental conditions to that plant, to that single plant? Example, mango or Mangifera indica. It is a single plant. Art ecology is included to this point because this plant, because only study only single species of Mangifera indica, only single species of Parthenium histopathus, not all species, or not 100 or 200 or 1000 species study. Then next point, it also studies tolerance of the species to critical physical factors such as temperature, salinity, light, oxygen level, biological factors such as predators, mutualism, symbiosis, etc. The art ecology excellent. In art ecology, excellent example is the brachyfern, Pteridium equinum, the most successful fern in the world, hence it is studied in detail. This is the most successful fern in the world, hence its study is studied in detail in the world. This fern is very common in Western Ghat in Mahabaleshwar. Hence, the study of all detailed life cycle, its physical and biological factors are studied in detail. Thus, these fern, brachyferns, comes into the art ecology. Then, what is scene ecology? Syn means fused. Ori monocarpellary, ori bicarpellary, syncarpus. That is 1 ori, 2 ori, 3 ori, 5 ori, 6 ori, 10 carpels or many carpels are fused together and formed syncarpus gynoecium. Same as all individual species in the forestry, in the community, in the grassland, in the estuarine, in the marine, in the freshwater, desert, etc. All plants are come together and to study the ecology of the level of community or the ecosystem. This is called synecology. It can be defined as the study of the interaction between the species in community level of or communities of many spatial and temporal scales, including structure, distribution, abundance, demography, and interaction between coexisting populations. That is abundance of many species, density of many species. That is, if you studied in quadrats, there are many species. First you list the quadrat species, then you draw or calculate frequency, abundance, density. That is, there is not only one species, there are many species in the quadrat. What is the aim of synecology? The aim of synecology is to investigate the relation between different species that form community and their interaction with surrounding environment. This is the aim of synecology. Synecology involves both biotic and abiotic factors. The abiotic factors are annual temperature, annual rainfall, soil pH, and synecology helps learn about our surrounding and how various organisms are interact with each other. Synecology, which deals with the or study of the surrounding environment, surrounding plants, that is flora of college campus, flora of Srigonda Tehsil, flora of Nagar district, flora of Maharashtra, flora of Florapur district. These flora or community studied is included in the synecology. Synecology helps to study many croplets also. There is a cropland ecosystem, many estuarine ecosystem, many marine ecosystem. That is whole study of marine ecosystem. That is whole study of grassland. That is whole study of forestry. Synecology has its roots in European plant sociology, which is study plant communities. European plant society, which is studied by synecological method of plant communities. There are few theories to go along with synecology. There are few theories to go along synecology. First theory, holistic theory. It is credited by Frederick Clements. Second theory, individualist theory. It is credited by Henry I. Gleason. Third theory, natural theory. It is credited by Stephen Hubble. And there are also many branches. Of synecology. That is aquatic ecology and terrestrial ecology. In ecology, there are three branches of synecology: freshwater ecology, estuarine ecology, and marine ecology. And in terrestrial ecology, there are also three branches: desert ecology, grassland ecology, and forest ecology. These are interdisciplinary approach of ecology, art ecology, and synecology. Ecology is interdisciplinary and holistic science. Why it is called? Because there are many disciplines of science, many disciplines of commerce, also many disciplines of arts, and thus these disciplines or these branches helps to ecological studies. Computer science also included in it, biochemistry also included in it, and there are art ecology and synecology. These are 2 points. What is art ecology? That is study of only single species. What is synecology? That is study of many species in the community. That is, there are many species, thousands of species in the plant community or forest ecosystem or grassland ecosystem. These are studied or these study included in the synecology. This is video lecture of SYBC students, and this video lecture only for educational purpose for SYBC students. And for examination, we will ask, or there is a question of what is art ecology or what is scene ecology, give the example of scene ecology and give the example of art ecology. Thank you.